question for you.
All right.
Why should people call Miss Dig 811?
So they don't hit things and then have to call the township to come fix them.
That is an awesome answer. And what number should they dial to call Miss Dig 811?
What is it? I don't know. No, you gotta give me the prompts. 811 Miss Dig? I don't know.
There you go. Yeah, 811. You got it. What prize would you like? What would you like?
Oh, I get a prize?
Yes. Pick whatever you want.
I'm gonna take another umbrella.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you for watching Miss Dig's What's the 811? Remember, always be smart, be safe, and call Miss Dig 811 before you dig.